welcome to our Turkish Riviera trip, starting with Fethiye and our stay at this beautiful hotel. We definitely indulged in a lot of Turkish food, and it was really delicious right down in the center of the town. We then came across this yacht club that was not on our original schedule, but it's definitely a great place to check out. Very nice atmosphere with a lot of things to do and see, including a swimming pool area, the marina, and this restaurant that I believe opens at 6:30 p.m. And from what I saw in photos, there's a really nice lights at night, but we had different plans, so we couldn't make it that day. This was just the marina extension, just on the other side of the yacht club. So we went and took a nice walk here, and it really reminded us of Europe with this building in the back. It looked like one of the European villas that we've seen before. But one of the highlights of our stay in Fethiye was this view up here. There were several different picnic tables along the way, and lots of friends and families were just hanging around, and they had some food, and even all the way up to nighttime. We then discovered the what you could call the center of Fethiye, which is a walkway with many different restaurants right on the water, and this particular one looked very romantic. You could see there were many people around, not here, but in the other restaurants. And overall, it was a really nice day, and we wrapped it up with a scooter ride right on that promenade. We were very excited about day 2 because we had a boat tour booked, and this was the 12 island boat tour starting from the Fethiye Marina. We did tour around 6 islands in total, so I'm still not sure why it was called 12 islands, but I assume we passed over 12 in total. But we just stopped at 6, and it was more than enough for the entire day. And just a great day overall, swimming in the sea and making new friends. We had a nice lunch stop on the boat. You could choose between fish or chicken. We went with fish, just in sync with being in the water. And interestingly, the water started turning more turquoise as we went along, one of the most beautiful colors we've seen. And we were able to swim right here, exactly where you see. There were people jumping from the boats, and it was a blast overall. We got off on a little stop here and we came across this pirate who was really into character and just enjoyed the views around the island, and some people swam. But you get about 45 minutes on each stop, so it's more than enough to do whatever you want to do. We were pretty hungry since lunch, so after we came back to Fethiye, we stopped by Mosaic Bahçe, which we've heard really good reviews, and the food was delicious as always. We then just had a little walk in the mall area. We figured we would check this off our list since we will be going to other areas in Fethiye for the rest of the trip, so be sure to check out those videos.